We express our deepest gratitude for the global community unwavering support. As we unite in the march against Baloch genocide, it is essential to emphasize the critical importance of defending human rights universally. In this video message, I urge people worldwide to join the movement against the Baloch genocide. I appeal to everyone to consider it their primary duty to speak out against such injustices. Every individual owes a duty to protect not only our rights, but the rights of every human being. In your countries, communities and online spaces, you can actively approach human rights organizations bringing attention to the Baloch cause. Your voices are powerful tools in holding Pakistani authorities accountable for the violations against Baloch people. Your support is not only crucial for the Baloch community, but for the broader cause of human rights and justice worldwide. Let us collectively advocate for a world without human rights violations. Thank you.